Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, take a look at this. I've got myself some more friend mail. This came from some very good friends of mine and Mrs. TB, and we've been anticipating and expecting it. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I can get this open. Don't want to flip it over for obvious reasons. Let's get this started here. Cut along here. And come on. Cut it open like so. Get this knife out of the way, put it away. That's good. Let's see what we have. I'm going to pull it out off screen just to make sure. Okay, cool. Got ourselves a little card here. It says TB. So let me go ahead and get this open. Looks like I put the knife away a bit too early. So let's get this opened up and see what we have. Ooh, this is exciting. Hello. Well, hello to you as well. Dear Talking Bullion, over the last month and a half, we have become great friends. We recently started a live stream with our wives. I feel that we can do great things now and in the future. Enclosed you will find some junk silver to add to that collection. Your friends, Mr. and Mrs. S&P. And of course we know that Mr. and Mrs. S&P is Mr. and Mrs. Stacking and Prepping, who have a wonderful YouTube channel. Go check it out if you haven't. They got some great stuff going on over there. And like you said, we've got a weekly live stream going. It's on Monday nights, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And why don't you come join us over there, because we're doing some pretty cool and fun things over there as well. And we've got a lot of people joining us and a lot of interaction going on, and it's really fun. So let me go ahead and cut out this awesome junk silver, as they referred to it, but it is indeed constitutional silver, 90% silver, and it is indeed a Morgan silver dollar, which most people don't really think of when they think of junk or constitutional, but it really is. It's just constitutional silver with a pretty high premium on it. So look at this thing. Of course it's going to make a trip to the coin cam, but in 1890 Morgan. It's got some nice toning on it. It's got an O mint mark, so New Orleans mint. And it's in really, really good shape. Look at those feathers. We'll get under the coin cam here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. I got my coin cam just the right size for it tonight. Ooh, look at that thing. 1890. Wow, that thing's in great shape. It's got a little ding on it. Right about, let's see if we can find it right about there. That's okay. Got a little ding on the rim. But other than that, this thing is in great shape. Let's flip it over, because I always like to look at the wings on the back side. It tells you how much wear it's had. And just look at the detail there. Wow. And I'm looking at it. It does. You can see some scratching on there. It's either been cleaned or looks more like somebody took something. See those scratches up by the head? Doesn't really look like it's been cleaned. It looks like somebody just got bored one day and decided to put some scratches on it. It's just right in that one area. But I do not mind. This is a wonderful gift. This is really, really cool. Wow, nobody has ever sent me a Morgan in the mail before. Mr. and Mrs. S&P, this is a wonderful gift for me and Mrs. Talking Bullion. This is really cool. Look at that thing. Wow, look at the hair. Hardly any wear on it at all. I don't know how to grade coins, but this would have a pretty high grade as far as the wear goes. It's really, really nice. Wow. I don't know why you sent us this, but we're really glad you did. This is a really, really cool coin, you guys. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead, go back. So got ourselves the, boy, my lights are really bouncing off this stuff tonight. Got ourselves the cool card. Got ourselves a Morgan silver dollar. And I just want to say thank you, Mr. and Mrs. S&P, which is Stacking and Prepping. Again, they've got a YouTube channel. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description. These guys are really cool. They're really fun to hang out with. And go look at some of their content. Subscribe to them and ring that bell to make sure when they put out more content you get notified. So thanks for watching this awesome friend mail episode. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. I would appreciate it. And also, give me a like. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. And go over to Mr. and Mrs. S&P Stacking and Prepping's YouTube channel and subscribe and hit the bell over there too. That'd be really cool. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.